So, on a weekend that I would have been celebrating 18 years. As the guy saw, I posted on Facebook. Today actually would have made it 18 years that I would have been serving in the JCF if I would have been still serving. But over the weekend I was looking at a friend of mine status, and I saw that he had posted that an 85-year-old, a 10-year-old, and a 6-year-old baby was murdered in Trial Hall in Spanish Town. And when I saw it posted on his status, I scrolled past it because I literally said to myself, I'm refusing to believe, that. And then some colleagues of mine, my former colleagues, members of the JCF, had confirmed it in a group that I was a part of, that I'm a part of. And I shook my head, and I'm like, what possesses a man to pick up a gun, find an 85-year-old woman, not a woman or a man, it doesn't matter, 85-year-old, a 10-year-old child, and a 6-year-old baby, and shoot them to death? Like, what what possess you to think that, what could possess a man to think that you're doing something logical? Like it can't be revenge, because what are you getting revenge? Who are you getting revenge on? Like, I don't know. I can't figure it. I can't even put my thought. I can't even formulate a good. I don't know. I don't know, brethren. I don't know. And the worst part about it is you have several people who probably know the little wimp, the little piece of dog shit, will do something like that. I want to sit down and talk and I laugh with them. Like, which, there's no part of you can consider a gangster for something like that. If you kill an 85-year-old grandmother, a 10-year-old child, and a 6-year-old baby. So it hurt me so much that I have to decide to come on here, and I don't even know what to say, to be honest with you. But Jamaican people, police and politicians can't solve crime by themselves. They can't protect you all the time or every time, because they can't be there all the time and every time. But when you have heinous crimes like these being committed, it is your duty as a citizen to stand up and say something. So I guess I just felt the nudge, the urge to get up and say, if I know the piece of shit will do something like this, man, give him over to the police. Give him over to I have no idea what kind of piece of shit will get up, take up a gun and kill an 85-year-old, a 10-year-old child, and a 6-year-old baby. You don't really want to know what my you really don't want to know what I was thinking otherwise. Yes, my background does not allow for me to express exactly what I expect to really happen to you, honestly speaking. But Jamaicans, we have to protect our own. We know that long time. Don't need to do. Don't need to do. But even if you face justice, honestly, even if you know where the brother is, man. If you know where the piece of shit is, or thinking bad, give him over to the police. You understand? I don't know. I don't know what else to say or do. We have to be better than this. We have to be better than that. We are better than this. We are.